What's up, guys? It's been a while since we had a video out, but I decided to pull the engine out of the elco to do some upgrades, and it's a good thing I did when I did, because we found some issues that if we didn't catch now, it would have been bad later. But we're getting everything addressed and upgraded. We've got new cam heads, intake headers. We got a lot of good stuff going on here this time, so she's gonna be pretty fast. Tired of getting beat. So we're going to try to close that gap up a little bit. I don't know if it'll focus, but I'm trying to show you guys what we got going on. As you can see, it looks like we had some geometry issues. I don't know what else would cause that, but the valve bosses have cracked and broke all up. That's what we got on the old heads. That's what we're addressing right now, trying to get everything lined up right, and hopefully we won't have this issue no more. So we got the cam degree today, measured for our push rod length and piston to valve clearance and all that good stuff, and we're starting to put this thing back together. So hopefully not too much longer, and we'll be hitting the dyno and seeing what she'll make on motor, and then we'll put her back in the car and start some testing. Hopefully get it ready by September for a few races.